Would there be anybody out there to help me with my filament problem? This machine, my P1s Bambu Labs, is not recognizing the filament as it should be. It has been before until this after this glitch and this clog and the nozzle. So I took my nozzle apart. Here, sorry for the distraction. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, so, oh, where's my finger? Here it is. So, yep, I took all that apart. Just to, because I watched the video, that was very good and instructional video how to disassemble it and assemble it correctly, and to check for that clog, and I did, and it's completely hollow, and such, everything's good. Okay, so physically, personally, the thing, it's everything's so good. But now internally, that for like machines and stuff, and oh, it just does not recognize it. It's really hard, and yeah, especially hard for any machines, is they just don't work the way you want them to. So, let's see. I tried. I got home. I got temp hot. I went to feeding, and I tried the loading part, but it just still wouldn't recognize it. And now the glitch is that, like, it says the filament needs to be cut straight, or otherwise, like the sensor in the extruder. Last video of why for disassemble and assemble said thing, I did everything correctly, and this glitch thing is just not working. I really need help. And I cut this red twice now, and still won't recognize it, and so then I just did nothing with the orange, and just unwind it. Well, actually just to get all the EMS parts. I just took it off. Oh. Take it out as regular as I would for a new color. The camera can focus. You can't see it, it's so blurry. It is straight, so what it does is now, as it's supposed to, is to recognize it. It's really hard to do with one hand. So, and now it starts, supposed to like get all the way through this tube here, there, and then there, then through the tubing, there a little bit, and then go back, and it's all set. Now this glitch thing is not working. It should have been loading right now. If anyone can help, please feel free to comment if you can on YouTube. Thanks anyway.